Conversation 1.
Can you help me cook dinner?
Sure. How can I help?
Please make a fruit salad. Use the fruit on the table.
Okay. The bananas, strawberries, and kiwis?
Yes, that's right. Please cut them up and put them in a bowl. Wash them and then add yogurt on top. We will have it for dessert.
Okay, I can do that. What else?
Then set the table. Make places for 5 people. My friend will join us.
Oh, great. Anything else?
Yes, after that, please text the kids. Tell them to be home by 6.
Got it. I'm on it.
Conversation 2.
Where is the library?
It's not far from here. It's in the park.
How do you get there?
It's easy. Go down this road. At the second light, turn left.
Okay, so I walk down this road 2 blocks and then turn left.
Yes, that's right. The library is in the park.
Thanks for your help.
Don't mention it.
Conversation 3.
Mrs. Jones, I missed class. What is the homework?
Tonight, please write a 100-word essay about your hobby.
Can I write about football?
Yes, of course. But please write in pen, not pencil.
Can I use a computer and print it?
No, do not use a computer. Write it by hand.
Can I write it in my notebook?
No, use a piece of paper.
Is that all?
No, also, please read chapter 10 in your book.
Is that it?
Yes, that's it.
Conversation 4.
Lately, I feel sleepy and tired. I have low energy. Do you have any tips?
Yes, eat lots of vegetables. Also, don't eat carbs like bread, rice, and pasta.
Okay. What about meat?
Some meat is fine, but don't eat fast food like fried chicken.
What about drinks?
Drink tea or water. Don't drink beverages with sugar.
What about exercise?
Exercise every day, but don't exercise too much.
I can do that. Any other advice?
Yes, get lots of sleep. Sleep 8 hours a day.
Oh, that's easy. I love sleep.